Epicflows production.
Epicflows.
Yeah. Wagwan Shenboo. Wagwan SHENBOO. You don't know say what Radekal Epic there. Shenseea she gone on a quick trip overseas, so she can't there right now to help me do a video. But I react to a couple comments when I soon make on a picture when I post up with me and SHENBOO at the beach. You see me? This photo. Yeah man, I read all of the comments them, good or bad. You see me? I make you see what I go and see, pray, and react to it and them type of thing there. Yeah man, so I and Shenseea upon the beach the other day. Yeah. Fun times. So alright, I start at the top comments. Cherish Dell says, listen, I fed right up. This is going too far, but me like it. You fed up Cherish Dell? Cherish Dell, me do a video with me and wifey on the first panty and rat fighting video. You look like she fed up, so me find a new boo, she come and talk about I fed up. But you like it, you better like it. Yeah man, alright, next comment from Dodge Stillmatic. Dodge Stillmatic, no you got too far youth. No you got too far youth. I think you mean no you got too far youth. Dodge, easy with the jealousy man, boy, you know me I got too far. You wish that you in that position here, you see me? But go and hold it still. Dodge Stillmatic again say, Bill no bro, me fi Bill, I love this, me fi Bill. Me Bill, me not a Billy Goat. Yo, you see me, lively music, laugh, big up yourself, me know where you laugh. I not give no joke, you see me, I post a picture with me and me, man, I know where you come laugh. But anyway, yeah man, trade music, you laugh too. Go and laugh, man, some songs you figure right, you laugh. You see me? She never frost. You laugh too, go and laugh. Dav XNE. Davian I laugh too. I laugh. Go and go build a app. You there I laugh. You see me now your music say caption. Yeah, you can read the caption. Good, that's good. But go and laugh too. I don't know why you laugh too. You see me? Go and laugh now, yeah. Go and cook. You have to come cook with me that you want. Come cook with me now. I think I don't know you did all laugh. Go and go work and come cook with me now. You did all laugh. You see me? The revolutionist laugh and say fire. You want some revolution pan this post here, you come put fire and I laugh. You think me I give joke? Alright, sci-fi boss. Say blood, you know, you see me? You see pre sci-fi things about for up top, things about for reach, things about for start blaze up. Yeah man. Yeah me see me, the animation guru now. It's the unformatted for me. Don't get jealous now. Yeah man, just look and walk, go on about your business. Don't get jealous, but it's done for me. Terry Goody, charas. Terry Goody, it's so nice you have to comment it twice. Yeah man, go through Terry Goody, big up yourself, but I don't know why you laugh at. You see me? Right now, Queen Castle, Nick, Boutiques, J.A. sent. Then this real friend, Epicflows, I asked for me that. My son. You have a son, I don't say you have a son. Your son want to tell your son to stay out of big and grown people business. You see me, make your son, if your son have an Instagram for you ask for himself, no ask for him. Yeah man. I know you laugh for though. You see me? DSJ Cox, big up yourself, Daniel. You see me? No sir. This took me all the way out. I didn't know that y'all were so serious, Epic. I thought you told me stuff, bro. Clearly, I'm not an insider anymore. But I have to say, it's a good look. Well, you don't know, so when you get a woman, you have to stop telling other woman things out the road. So that's why you don't know if you don't know. You see me? I get a call. Hold up. Alright, the call hang up. Anyway, yeah man, DSJ Cox, you don't know, so I saw things set. I can't tell you certain things again, certain things private and to remain between me and my lover. You see me so? Don't feel no way. Yeah man, what I say? You comment so nice, you have to comment tries. Yeah man, big up yourself. Lone Wolf Films. Epicflows, you kill me literally. Lone Wolf Films, me not kill you man, you know your thing set already man, you see me? I know campus the series, this no killing now, you not go on in this. Yeah man, but big up yourself, Lone Wolf Films. I say me glad to see you tune in and thing. Me and my boo, yeah man. Alright, Ladies Magnet 101 said, me can't believe me sit down and read all of this your TPC. But do the Marcus right there, so now. Congrats to the two of you. Thank you for your congrats, my virgin. You see me? Thank you. Thank you very much. You see me? We look forward to greater things happening in the future. Thank you very much for your congrats. Yes. Boss lady Tanya at 1988. I laugh in I comment I put LOL. Oh yeah right, LOL in I caption for. Huh? I don't know where you come laugh about a true ladies magnet. Put congrats here come laugh. You must say you check him or check you try flirt with him back alright, LOL. Cause why you comment on for him comment? Why you never reply to my comment? My video, my picture you put on for him comment. I flirt with ladies magnet. Go on man. Alright, nails done and rolly. Dead with RCL. God know, you know. A ladies magnet again. My pull up ladies them. I see. Yeah? Okay. Alright. XO TXRS. I guess I Trish that. But congrats on you look nice. Heart sign. Big up yourself, Trish. Me even though you laugh. Probably you think me never did ever find any love like this. But me find it. You see me? So thank you for the congrats. Your comment again, it's the caption for me. Laugh heart and a dead sign. Yeah man, I caption for you man. I go give a look synopsis of what a caption basically I say. It I tell you say you see them post a photo and the blog page then run with it and thing and I say trouble in paradise cause Shen never post a beach picture them with me. But I make my couldn't know in my caption say the reason why she never post me because we both come to an agreement that she was not going to post me to take the focus off her beautiful self and put the focus on our relationship. So that's why me never get posted. But because I see all the blog site them and thing I run with the story, I mean know the time. That's why I say, you know what, just make this clear once and for all so we can shut it down. You see me, shut down the rumors them before them really start up and go on. Because I don't want to chase celebrity life and thing. But yeah. Alright. So right now we reached on real Shenyangs. SHENBOO and her bow. Yeah. SHENBOO and her bow. Did Shenyangs. Real Shenyangs didn't stutter. Shenyang and her bow. Yeah man, I don't know for some man. You see me? Alright. Shabdan Prestige cut. I said SHENBOO and I decided manifest it into reality, my boss. Go and go cut her here and load that picture here alone and go and go cut her here. Shabdan go cut her here. Go give a Prestige cut and leave the comment section here with your negative comments about manifest it. What me a manifest? How me manifest if it happen already? Me a live in reality. Probably that you mean. Probably you know what manifest mean. You mean if you continue live in reality, my boss. That you mean. And most that you mean. Cause that me I do. But either way, regardless, thank you for the comment. You see me? Alright. Naya, where you come comment say whoa you night again for? Me see you know. You come say whoa you like about manifest. Nah manifest nothing. How me fi manifest reality? How me fi manifest reality? But go on still you know. Alright. Nita Kane say hilarious. Oh this a relation. Oh no find this a relationship you funny so. And that me want know please somebody comment and share the joke. Comment under this video and share the joke. I don't know why so much people find it hilarious. Alright. So Scorpio Queen, LOL dead with laugh. Share the joke down below. Alright, so Miss Fuzzy Candy Skin. This is an imaginary relation. Me finally get the joke. We finally get the joke. I don't think this is an imaginary relationship. When you think I dream this happening now, you see Freddy Krueger now, eh? Go on, man, boy. This is an this imaginary relationship is so fun to watch unfold. When you see Freddy Krueger, this is not no dream thing. A real thing, real life, real situation, real peoples. You see me? Sammy Bliss, it's the SHENBOO for me. SHENBOO and her boy, you see me? Get it straight, yeah, man. It's the SHENBOO for you. It's the SHENBOO for me too. I really love that girl. She's nice, you see me? Alright, come 2496. Only haters will say this is Photoshop and some bag of laughing face and heart symbols. Big up yourself, come here. You see me, go haters, bad mind and jealous people will say it's Photoshop because obviously it's not. Alright, Fresh Brinks gang. Why you not do it, Epicflows? You in a trouble, you know. Why we do? What we do? We go to beach. We don't go to beach. We don't go to beach. Enjoy ourselves, enjoy life. Eh? But why we do it? Alright, Spence Jamoy. I mean, I Shenseea there, you just a side man. Yo, I won't even dignify that with a response. Alright, skip past that. Alright, Kelmark TV. Some man have all the luck. You understand, you see me? And no luck still, I just hard work and persistent, you see me? You have to position yourself in the right position in life if certain things happen to you. Yeah, man, because it's just by chance me and SHENBOO come together. Yeah, I know. No luck, no in it. It's just probably some people that say fate, destiny, you see me? But yeah, man. Alright. Yannick B, you are hilarious. Love it. Thank you. I think you comment under the wrong thing still. Probably you'd have try to comment on the one of my comedy video them say this is you are hilarious. But either way you love it, so thank you for the love. Continue to love the new things I drop, you see me, and big up yourself, Yannick B. Alright, the hype girl. I read the entire damn caption. One big clown face. Boy. You never know you could have read. That's why you put clown face and you finally get to read the full caption. So that's why you're so proud. Ooh, congrats. Alright. Spain boss. LOL. Haters gonna say it's Photoshop. Spain boss, you know what I go on. Yeah man. Haters will hate. Picture you walk cause all of the controversy. Yeah, this. Yeah. So thank you guys for tuning into this video, isn't it? I was just reacting to a couple of comments on the photo that I posted with me and SHENBOO. So thank you for tuning into my channel, Epicflows. Isn't it? Share to a friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend and all that good stuff. Do. Drop your like, drop your comment, drop your share. You see me? Make sure you subscribe if you are new to this channel. Check back next time. Comment what you want me to do next in the comments and I'll do it maybe. You see me? Follow me on IG, Epicflows_. Follow me on TikTok, Epicflows_. And follow me here on YouTube, Epicflows. You don't know how certain things set up, so yeah man, me just want to say blessing up for your support. Big up the SHENBOO family. You see me? The SHENBOO Yangs, the SHENBilly. You see me? You big up on yourself. Yeah man, it's your boy Radekal Epic. I'm out. I'm not trying to get Shenseea in our next video now, because she do a quick fly out. So that's why she not really in that video. But big up on yourself. You see me? I'm out.
It's epic out here.
Shout out production.
Radekal Epic.
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaica, you know. Kingston.
You know I rep Epicflows when I step into my clothes.